Hey everyone, this is a hack to me drying my purse. If you want to know how I achieved this, please continue to watch the video. Comment, hit like, and subscribe. I truly appreciate y'all. Thank you. Hey y'all, so really quick. I've had my Coach bag and wallet for some time now. So this is my wallet. And I've had this big baby for well over 15 years. Oh Lord. So I decided to put her in the washing machine and wash her. Both of them. I put them inside cotton bags and then tied it up in a knot and, threw it in the washer and washed it. However, I need this to dry on the inside from the fabric. So it's been hanging up in my bathroom all this time, with the handle on top of the little towel rack I got. And I was trying to figure out how to get it to dry from the inside since I can't hang it upside down. I was looking at one of those plastic hangers and asked my son to snap it in half. So basically, long story short, he broke this in half. And because this have pockets on the outside, this is all I'm gonna do. Okay? This is all I'm gonna do. This is how I'm about to hang this thing up in the bathroom, let it dry. Upside down. See, just like this. Now, let's go test it.